Hello students. So today the next part of our video will be question answers from 20 to 30. Okay, so we have already seen the 20th one. So we'll go for 21st. So 20th one is done. 21st is Vi waren deine Winterferien. Yeah. How was your winter vacation? Was hast du gemacht? Oblique Neues gelernt. Now students, intentionally I am trying to keep the hobbies, the place where we visited and the vacation the same thing. So that if we have learnt a particular word or if we have learnt a particular construction, we can use it n number of times. Now in the exam, from all these questions, only few are going to come. So even if you learn 2-3 question, the answer looking similar type of answer, it's not a problem. Yeah. So till you are grammatically correct, there is no problem. So 21st is Vi waren deine Winterferien. So we have to answer like how was it. First we have to answer it. How was it? And then we have to tell what we have done in it. Yeah. So our answer is Meine Winterferien war super und aufregend. If you observe, we have already written such kind of words in our previous question. Okay. So again I have used it. So meine Winterferien war super und aufregend, was superb and exciting. Ich bin nach Rajasthan gefahren. Only instead of Goa, I have just changed the place to Rajasthan. So if it is summer, you can mostly write Goa. If it is winter, we can try with Rajasthan. Ich bin nach Rajasthan gefahren. Yeah. Full stop will come. Ich habe eine Stadtrundfahrt. A city tour we can do anywhere, at any part of the city. Ich habe eine Stadtrundfahrt gemacht und viele Sehenswürdigkeiten gesehen. So same type of answer you can write for the Sommerferien, where have you done your vacation, for the Winterferien, everything. Yeah. Now the next question comes up, 22nd is Wie wichtig ist Reisen für dich? So wie wichtig is very important word because the meaning of it is important. Yeah. Wichtig bedeutet important. Wie wichtig ist Reisen für dich? How important is traveling for you? Und wie oft reist du in einem Jahr? How often do you travel in a year? So first, wie wichtig ist Reisen? So now before going to the second one, there is one more order I have written. Order is or. The meaning of this is or. Either write this answer or you can write this answer. If in the question it is asked, was hast du Neues gelernt? So if you want to answer for this part, Neues gelernt, either one of them will come. So either we will write, we went to Rajasthan, and if they specify that what have you learnt over there, so then not there only, in your vacation what did you learn? So ich habe eine neue means a new. Instead of Sprache, you can write Fremdsprache, FR, okay? E for elephant, M. Fremdsprache means foreign language, gelernt. So what has du Neues gelernt in Winterferien? You must have learned this. You can write, okay? Either one we have to write according to the question. Then, as we were going for the next one, wie wichtig ist für Reisen? Reisen is sehr wichtig für mich. It is very important for me while Reisen mein Hobby ist. They have asked you how important it is. So I have just given my explanation. It is very important für mich while they haven't asked why. But in that why question, you get the answer how it is important. So Reisen mein Hobby ist. When you write the word while, that is the meaning is because, the connector, yeah, which you have learnt in sentence structure where I have taught you the this while use. So when you are using the word while, whatever sentence comes later, like the sentence was, Reisen is mein hobby. Means traveling is my hobby. So same sentence you will make, only the verb in the second place you have to put at the end before full stop. That is the effect of while over there. Okay. So Reisen ist sehr wichtig für mich, while Reisen mein Hobby ist. Those who did not understand the meaning of while, please check the video where I have taught you the connector while, how to use it. Okay. So it is, Reisen is my hobby. Reisen entspannt mich. It relaxes me. Okay. Entspannt. Spelling, be proper. Whatever you are learning, student, it is not necessary to be a paragraph like thing or 4 to 5 lines. Not necessary. How much grammatically correct you are, that is important. In einem Jahr reise ich zweimal. So this taking one place. Yeah, first position. This is taking the second position as a verb. And then a pronoun to conjugate it. And then the rest part. So in einem Jahr means from the question I have written this. In einem Jahr. Then reise means traveling. I travel 2 times without fail. Unbedingt is without fail. Yeah. Let's go for the next part. Is 23rd one. Welche Freizeitaktivitäten magst du gern mit deinen Freunden? Which is your favorite free time activity which you do with your friends? So, my answer will be, from the question, again I am taking out the words mit meinem Freunden. Okay, so from the question only I am taking the answer. But in a proper manner. Don't write anything anywhere. So, mit meinem Freunden takes first position. Then the verb takes the second position. Gehe ich ins Kino. Yeah, Komma, spiele ich Fußball. The verb is coming second always, if you see. And then a pronoun is coming. Yeah. Und gehe ich auch in the Disco gern. So, mit meinem Freunden gehe ich ins Kino, spiele ich Fußball und gehe ich auch in die Disco gern. This is very important because they have asked you what you prefer doing most of time. Yeah. The next question is 24th one. Wann beginnen deine Sommerferien? Wie lange dauern sie? So how long? First of all, when is it going to begin and how long it is going to last? So from the question itself, meine Sommerferien, the verb I have taken as it is because it was the thing who has conjugated beginnen. So meine Sommerferien beginnen, then you can tell a month, of course. In Mai, you can even tell a date. I am being safe and telling a month. Sie dauern means they. It is actually they. But here it is a first letter, so I am writing it big. Sie dauern für 2 Monate. So it lasts for 2 months. Next question. 5th one. 25th. Welche Hobbys hast du und was magst du am liebsten? Whenever hobbies comes, means in general, in reality, you all might be having many hobbies. Yeah. But keep your hobbies same and keep the things you all do on weekends, your hobbies, in free time activities, try to keep it same intentionally so that you write in proper grammatical form. So, meine Hobbys sind Bücher lesen und Fußball spielen. Properly write and never say book lesen. That's wrong. We say Bücher lesen und Fußball spielen. Full stop. Meine Hobbys. If you even if you write articles wrong, yeah, but then if you write the noun in small letters, your marks are deducted. And they have also asked you that was magst du am liebsten? So from this particular part, what mostly you prefer or what you like to do mostly? Am liebsten, first place, then second place, verb, spiele ich Fußball. Am liebsten, spiele ich Fußball. Now next one, 26th one. If you all want, you all can write it down. I'll wait for 1 or 2 minutes. and then move ahead. Next one, by the time I'll read the 26th one. Wohin fährst du dieses Jahr und mit wem? So, again from the question we have to take the answers. So, over here, dieses Jahr fahre ich nach Goa, nach it is N-A-C-H. Fahre ich nach Goa mit meinen Freunden. Very necessary. After mit, it changes into dative. So, meinen Freund, actually it should be Freunde, but because of dative, it has changed into N, Freunden. Yeah. Then, 27th. Was magst du in den Sommerferien? Was sind deine Ferienpläne? So, what do you do in your summer vacation and what are your vacation plans? So, in den Sommerferien fahre ich nach Rajasthan und besuche ich meine Großmutter. So, that is my plan. So, I am traveling and I am visiting my grandmother. Yeah. Properly conjugate the verb. Its position should be proper. Meine Ferienplan ist sehr aufregend, weil ich nach Rajasthan fahren möchte. So, because of while, the second position verb, ich möchte nach Rajasthan fahren, was the actual sentence. But because of this while, the second position verb went at the end. Und meine Großmutter besuchen möchte, weil ich meine Großmutter besuchen möchte. So, my vacation plans are to go to Rajasthan to meet my grandmother. Yeah. So, either one you can write. Next is 27th one. That is over. Next is 28th. Dein Freund fährt zum ersten Mal nach Deutschland. Your friend is traveling first time to Germany. Now, this looks like a condition or situation. Okay. So, this situation, you have to again write it down in your answer paper. You get marks for this. But in a proper manner. Here it is written your friend. While writing the answer, you will say my friend. So, that much change you all have to make. So, mein Freund fährt zum ersten Mal nach Deutschland. You all get some marks over here. And then what are you suggesting him to take along with him, no? So, soll eine Kamera und eine Regenjacke mitnehmen. I have kept the objects, means general objects, I have kept it. Intentionally, I have taken these objects because these objects can go to any country. Any country you take, any place you take, you can use these objects. Because if the question is improvised, instead of German, something else, you can use the same object. So, I have kept it that simple. If you want, by your risk, you can take any other objects also. Next one, 29th. Wie kann man von Pune nach Delhi fahren? Wie lange dauert die Fahrt? So, how can one go from Pune to Delhi? How can one travel? And how long this ride will take or last? So, again, being safe, I am going to use such a word which can be used to any city, whichever city they will tell you. So, man kann von Pune nach Delhi mit dem Flugzeug fahren. Yeah. So, this will go to any city. Wherever you go, mostly they will give you metropolitan cities. Yeah. And die Fahrt dauert means that particular ride lasts circa means approximately, circa 2 Stunden means 2 hours. Then 30th one, wo kann man Bücher kaufen und wo kann man Briefmarken kaufen? So, Bücher kann man in der Buchhandlung kaufen. So, the two verbs are there. First verb you have to conjugate in the second place and the second verb you have to conjugate at the end. In the original form we have to keep it. So only this verb will conjugate. The second verb will keep it as it is. So Bücher kann man in der Buchhandlung kaufen. In there. Okay, this is important to write the proper preposition. Und Briefmarken, that is your postal stamps, kann man auf der Post kaufen. So learn it properly and then go to the next video for 31 to 40.